comedy moment.
Oh boy.
Oh, I can't see it, I can't see it. Yay!
It's pretty.
Oh, that's awesome.
Pick one of them rockets. Where's the rocket?
No idea.
That's enough one. That's it going to dirt though, that one. Sorry, darling.
Sorry, Sharon.
There go the Skittles.
Yay!
Are you videoing it? I'll take you
I
pictures.
was videoing.
Go and sit on it.
It's
Whoa!
not even doing anything. Oh wait.
That would have hurt if I sat on it.
You should have sat on it.
I would have been up in the air by now.
Who needs a lighter? You're so hot. It's awesome.
Do I look good against the night sky?
Yes, you do. It's not gonna light, is it?
Whoa.
Careful, Linz!
Hey Jesse.
Jesse! Sit on it!
Oh boy.
It's actually really hard.
Don't mean to him!
It's actually really hard just to get that little end and the piece of string,
Yeah.
you know?
Yeah.
And I was doing it with flag, yeah, that's it good.
That was good, Linz.
Should have lit it with
I think I burnt the string.
Aww.
So you just keep doing it, that's what I had to do.
No, not even to light.
Oh cool, I can see all the fireworks in the background. Oh!
No.
Let Lindsay do it again. Oh, Ram's gonna laugh at this, Max.
Find it and then I forget to run away.
You'll be like, yeah, I did it, Bob.
Life's mission to light this firework.
Oh, it's alright.
Let Lindsay do it then.
If that was like a game in a 360, I would have thrown the controller by now.
I'll give the ashtray out.
But if you don't know, you don't know, do you?
And now we've got the plastic bit off. Can Max do it?
Take two.
My battery's gonna die. Come on, Max. This is gonna be a funny video.
Yay!
Oh, she actually got it alright. She did it, Max.
Whoa!
Wow!
Oh, that was so worth it. Well done.
Yeah, that ending along the ground. Light and scary, yeah. If I like that one, like...
Will Max succeed in lighting one? Finally. Actually, technically it was the fence's fault. Yay!
I want to like two rockets.
Two at the same time. Go on then, Liz. Sorry?
How you feeling today?
I'm not that bad, thanks. It's just coughing fits.
Yeah. You keep your weight?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what happens. I've got some Robinson
Oh, it will, it
I
will.
like one, and then the other won't be there, you'll be running away.
Yeah. Ah, hey, they're both done, I think.
I mean, I have to go back and light that one. I'm really
Yes.
scared. It goes.
Let Max do it. He always fails at lighting fire.
Not to do it.
If someone's got to die, then...
I've left them.
Yeah. I think I got one when I was actually on Messenger, then when I was on 360 later, I was like 3 other ones.
Yay!
No, they're all made.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
They're to the
Max, why does it always go at a certain angle when you do it?
Well, that shape the one was.
Yeah.